सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनि कात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू 283rd 83 उत्तर द्विशततमी कक्षाद्य विंशति दिनांकः एप्रिल मासस्य। अत्र वयं शत्रु प्रत्ययान् पठन्तः स्मः। शत्रु प्रत्ययं पुल्लिंगे पठितवन्तः। अद्य प्रायः स्त्रीलिंगे अपि पठितवन्तः। अन्ततो गत्वा नपुंसकलिंगे अपि शत्रुप्रत्ययान्तस्य अभ्यासाः भवन्ति अस्मिन् पुस्तके। गतकक्षायाम् एकोन अशीत्युत्तरद्विशततमः अभ्यासः समाप्तः आसीत्, यत्र कश्चन अभ्यासः कृतः। कुत्र नुम् आगमः भवति, कुत्र नुम् आगमः न भवति, न करणीयः, नकारः न करणीयः इति अभ्यासः अस्माभिः कृतः आसीत्। अद्य वयं नूतनम् अभ्यासम् अशीत्युत्तरद्विशततमः अभ्यासं कुर्मः, यत्र पुनः वाक्यद्वयं तत्र मिलित्वा एकं वाक्यं भवति शत्रुप्रत्यययोजनेन योगेन। उदाहरणं माता गायति पुष्पाणि चिनोति अपि। माता गायति, एकं कार्यं करोति माता गायति, अन्यत् कर्म करोति, किं करोति, पुष्पाणि चिनोति। एतयोः द्वयोः वाक्ययोः एकं वाक्यम् एवं भवति। पठतु श्रीनिवास। माता पुष्पाणि चिनोति, माता गायन्ति पुष्पाणि चिनोति, माता गानं कुर्वती पुष्पाणि चिनोति इति अर्थः। While singing, mother while singing collects the flowers. So collecting the flowers and singing both go together simultaneously. Mata gayati is one sentence, pushpani chinoti cha. There are two, what you call actions here. So these two can be combined into one by the use of this shatru pratyaya. Gayanti, gayati, chinoti. Gayanti, chinoti, pushpani iti mata. एवं कुर्मः. We will do like this. The remaining चतुर्दश वाक्यानि एवमेव करणीयानि सन्ति. पठतु श्रीनिवास प्रथम.
छात्रा गीतं शृणोति पठति अपि.
Yes, छात्रा, a student, a girl student listens to a song and as well reads. Listens and reads as well. So we are combining here. गीतं शृण्वति पठति. छात्रा गीतं शृण्वति पठति. Girl student studies while listening to the song. While listening to a song. शृण्वति, गीतं शृण्वति पठति. Api is not required now. It gets deleted. 2.
लता उत्तरं जानाति वदति अपि.
लता उत्तरं जानति वदति. Lata uttaram janati, knowing. Lata knowing the answer. Lata speaks the answer knowing. While knowing. Lata uttaram janati vadati. Trutiyam vakyam.
Malati gayati
snati api. Malati gayanti snati. Malati gayanti snati. Malati kim karoti? गायति स्नानमपि करोति. स्नाति नाम स्नानमपि करोति. एतयोः द्वयोः शत्रुप्रत्यय रूपमेवं भवति एकस्य क्रियापदस्य गायति इति. गायन्ति स्नाति. सो मालती bathes while singing. Malati bathes while singing. Gayanti while singing she takes a bath. 4. राधिका
गृह्णाति चलति अपि.
Radhika Grhnati Chalati. Radhika takes and moves. Grhnati Radhika Grhnati Chalati. Grhnati Chalati. Radhika moves while taking. Grhnati. Grhnati become Grhnati. Panchamam Vakyam.
सुषमा शृणोति पृच्छति अपि.
सुषमा इति कस्याश्चित् महिलायाः नामधेयं सुषमा. शृणोति listens and asks पृच्छति अपि also asks. So we combine सुषमा शृण्वति पृच्छति. Sushma asks while listening. Sushma asks while listening. 6. Vidita
roditi
gacchati api.
Gacchati api.
Everywhere api is there, of course. Vidita is again a name of a girl here. Is crying, also going. Vidita rodati gacchati api. So we change it. Vidita rudati gacchati. Vidita goes while crying. Vidita rudati gacchati. 7. Sevika
bhramati
karyam karoti api. Maid servant moves and does her work also. Karyam karoti api. So sevika bhramanti karyam karoti. Sevika bhramanti karyam karoti. Bhramanti, while moving around, while wandering, the maid while wandering does the work. Does the work while wandering. We take does the work first in English and then bhramanti will be translated here. So maid does the work while wandering. 8. Gopi
krishnam smarati kshiram dogdhi api.
So Gopi does 2 jobs here. Gopi krishnam smarati. Ekam karyam krishna smaranam. Anyat karyam kshiram dogdhi. So while remembering Krishna, Gopi is a cow herdess here, remembers Krishna and milks the
cow.
Yeah, not cow, milks. Kshiram dogdhi, milks the milk, not necessarily milks. So Gopi Krishnam smaranti. Gopi Krishnam smaranti dogdhi. Kshiram dogdhi. Dogdhi itself is sufficient. Kshiram is not necessary. Dohana karya is only milking of the cow only. So milk. Gopi Krishnam smaranti kshiram dogdhi. Gopi milks the milk, is milking the milk while remembering Krishna. Krishnam smaranti kshiram dogdhi. 9th. Balika
geetam gayati
प्रीणाति च अपि. बालिका गीतं गायति. काचित् बालिका अस्ति गीतं गायति. अन्यत् किं करोति? प्रीणाति and is pleased. So balika गीतं गायन्ति प्रीणाति means the girl is pleased while singing. गीतं गायन्ति प्रीणाति, while singing she is pleased. प्रीणाति. Dashama Tara Patati Api. Again, Tara is name of a not star here. Tara is Kasyaschit Mahilaya Namadheyam Asti. Tara Nidrati. Tara is sleeping and as well studying. Tara Nidrati Patati. Tara studies while sleeping. Tara Nidrati Patati. Ekadasha.
Bala roditi ashnati
api. A girl is crying as well as eating. Ashnati. Khadati. Bala rudati ashnati. Bala rudati ashnati. So a girl eats while crying. Rudati ashnati. Krandanti ashnati. द्वादश वाक्यम.
नटी मेखलां बध्नाति नृत्यति.
नटी मेखलां बध्नाति. There is an actress who is tying the girdle around her waist. Mekhala is girdle. Nati mekalam badhnati nrutyati, and then she dances. So Nati mekalam badhnati nrutyati. While tying the girdle around her waist, an actress dances. An actress dances while tying the girdle around the waist is understood. 13. Jyoti.
Dhanam dadati vadati.
Again, Jyoti is here not light simply, here a proper common name you can say. Jyotihi nama kaschit balika mahila dhanam dadati, gives money, vadati api, and speaks also. So Jyotihi dhanam dadati vadati. Dhanam dadati vadati Jyotihi. Jyoti speaks while giving money. 14th.
Sunayana karyam karoti pathati api.
Now various names are coming here in this lesson. For example, beginners should not take them for what they mean otherwise literally. For example, here Tara, Jyotihi, Sunayana. Sunayana is there also. Jyoti is a common name in India. Tara is also there but not very common. It's very uncommon. Sunayana karyam karoti patati api. Sunayana is the name of a girl here, or a lady who does her work and also studies. Sunayana karyam kurvati patati. Karyam kurvati patati. Sunayana reads while doing her work. So these are the Shatru Pratyayanta Strilinge. Chaturdasha Vakyani Vayam Atra Strilinge Drushtavantaha. Lekhaniyam Uttarani Lekhaniyam. So one word only has to be written. Api is to be deleted everywhere. It's gone. Next. This is the lesson number 280. Yes.
Chhatra Geetam Shrunvati.
Shrunvati.
What is the part?
Yes.
Lata Uttaram
Janati, while knowing. Vadati. Api you need not take. Yes.
Bharati Gayanti Snati. Gayanti.
So here one observation has to be made. Some are admitting num, nakara, others are not admitting. That is already we have made it clear in the class. Next.
Next. Radhika Gruhnati Chalati. Sushama Shrunvati Gruchhasi.
6.
Vidita Rudati Gachati. Sevika Brahmanti.
Here, yes. Here
Brahmanti.
nakara is there. Brahmanti. Num.
Gopi Krishnam Smaranti Kshiram Dogti. Smaranti.
Kshiram Dogti.
Balika Geetam Gayanti Prinati.
Yeah.
Tara Vidrati Patati. Vidrati. Patati. Bala Rudati Ashna.
Asnati. Rudati. Asnati nama khadati.
Nati Mekhalam
Badhnati.
Nrujyati. ज्योतिः धनं ददति वदति ददति सुनयना कार्यं कुर्वति पठति
look for mistakes if any. शृण्वति, जानति, गायन्ति, गृह्णति, शृण्वति. Again शृण्वति 2 times.
Yes.
शृण्वति, रुदति, अच्छा, भ्रमन्ति, स्मरन्ति, गायन्ति, निद्रति, रुदति, बध्नाति, ददति, कुर्वति. बध्नाति, हाँ बध्नति, बध्नति only, sorry. Bhadnati, dadati, kurvati. Kurvati is also Shrunvati. So num is there in the third one, Gayanti, 7th one, Brahmanti, 8th one, Smaranti, 9th one, Gayanti. That's it. And remaining num, the nakara is not there. Observe, because they are not ending with the specific vowel there. Akara is there, then they come, preceded by akara. It is very clearly made in previous page. Ti pratyayatah purvam rasvaha akaraha yadi bhavati nakaraha karaniyaha. Yadi ti pratyayatah purvam rasva nakaraha na bhavati tarhi nakaraha na karaniyaha iti niyamaha. So अशीत्युत्तर द्विशततमः अभ्यासः लघु अभ्यासः इदानीं समाप्तः भवति. एकाशीत्युत्तर द्विशततमः अभ्यासः यत्र पुनः शत्रुपत्यान्ते स्त्रीलिङ्ग प्रयोगाः. स्त्रीलिङ्गे द्विवचन बहुवचन रूपाणि. ओके, द्विवचन बहुवचन एकवचनतः द्विवचनं बहुवचनं पश्यामः. इदानीम् एतावत् पर्यन्तम् एतानि सर्वाण्यपि एकवचन, एते सर्वेपि एकवचन प्रयोगाः. निद्रति सर्वत्र. सो द्विवचनं बहुवचनं. प्रथमा विभक्तौ एकवचनम् अस्माभिः कृतम्. अधुना इदानीं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं पश्यामः. स्त्रीलिङ्गे शत्रन्त स्त्रीलिङ्गे द्विवचन बहुवचन रूपाणि. सो उदाहरण इज देयर. पठन्ति, which we have done. Patantyau, patantyah. Now you have to recall nadi shabda. Nadi, nadyau, nadyaha. That is prathama ekavachana. We are only in prathama, Srinivas. This shatranta will be derived in all the 7 cases. Saptasu vibhaktishu shatranta. For example, gachanti, गच्छन्त्यौ, गच्छन्त्यः, गच्छन्तीं, गच्छन्त्यौ, गच्छन्तीः, नदीः, नद्या, गच्छन्त्या, नदीभ्यां, गच्छतीभ्यां, गच्छत्, नदीभिः, गच्छद्भिः, गच्छतीभिः, गच्छत्या, गच्छत्. सो गच्छत्यै, नद्यै, भ्यां, गच्छतीभ्यः, गच्छत्याः, गच्छन्त्याः, गच्छन्त्याः, न गच्छन्त्योः, गच्छन्तीभ्यः. Exactly नदीभ्यः, whatever. नद्याः, गच्छन्त्याः, गच्छन्त्योः, गच्छन्तीनां, नदीनां, नद्यां, गच्छन्त्यां, नद्योः, गच्छत्योः, नदीषु, गच्छन्तीषु, गच्छन्तीषु. So like that 7 cases you get. So prathama we are seeing here. Patanti, patanti, patanti. Vadanti, same way. Vadantyau, vadantyah. So let us take one. Patanti balika. This can become as an adjective also. Patanti balika, the girl who is reading. Patantyau balike, 2 girls who are reading. Patantyah balikaah, girls who are reading. Vadanti nari, a woman who is speaking. Vadantyau naryau, two women who are speaking. Vadantyaha naryaha, women who are speaking. That way also can. Yes, next pachanti, pachanti mahila, pachantyau mahilau, pachantyau, pachantyaha mahilaha. Milanti mata, milantyau matarau, milantyaha mataraha. Khadanti भगिनी, खादन्त्यौ भगिन्यौ, खादन्त्यः भगिन्यः. पिबन्ति भगिनी और महिला, नारी, लता, whatever say, nati, you can choose your noun. Yes. त्यौ स्मरन्त्यः. चरन्ति चरन्त्यौ चरन्त्यः. लिखन्ति लिखन्त्यौ लिखन्. Up to this point no problem, all will be derived like patantyau patantya. Now when we come to srunvati, which is not admitting nakara, num, srunvati srunvatyau srunvatyah, way will be same but nakara will not be there. Srunvatyau srunvatyah. 10. Janati janatyau janatyau janatyah. Badhnati badhnatyau badhnatyah. Kurvati kurvatyau kurvatyah. Shaknuvati shaknuvatyau shaknuvatyah. Gachanti gachantyau gachantyah. Again no miscom. Snati snatyau snatyah. But there is another num also is there. Numadesha. So snantyau, snantyah is also there, but you can stick to one. Snantyau, num, some num also is there here. Snantyau, snantyah form is there, that is given in the answer book also. Snatyau, snatyah is there. So you take snati, one is snatyau, snatyah is one version. Snantyau, snantyah is another version. So this is very simple. I would only write from 9, 11, 13, 15 will write, because the remaining are very simple. Srinivas, you can tell me. Abhyasa 281. Ninth one.
Shunvati shunvatyau shunvatyah.
Shunvati. No, next.
Janati janatyau.
Number
10.
10 only.
Janatyau janatyah. 11. Badhnati badhnatyau badhnatyah.
Badhnatyau. Next.
Kurvati kurvatyau kurvatyah.
Number?
12. Kurvatyau
Kurvati kurvatyau.
kurvatyah. 13. Shaknuvatyau shaknuvatyah.
Shaknuvatyau shaknuvatyah.
You can skip 14, sir, because it's Yachanti Nakara is there. 15th.
15th one, okay.
Snatyau snatyah.
One more. Snantyau also is there.
Snatyau snatyah. Shunvatyau shunvatyah. Janatyau janatyah.
Badhnatyau badhnatyah.
Kurvatyau
Kurvatyah. Shaknuvatyau shaknuvatyah.
snatyau snatyah.
Shaknuvati means while being able to do. Well, some meanings I have not explained, Srinivas. Likhanti, Shrunvati, okay, Jananti, Padnati means while tying, Kurvati means while doing, Shaknuvati means while being able to, Shaknuvati, while being able to, Gachanti while going, Snati while bathing, Shaknuvati only while being able to do. नूतन अभ्यासः द्व्यशीत्युत्तर द्विशततमः अभ्यासः 282nd exercise यथोदाहरणं रिक्तस्थान अगेन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तत्र 15 वाक्यानि सन्ति हो न 15 अधिकं 24 वाक्यानि सन्ति 24 sentences are given here एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचन
उदाहरण बाला पिबन्ति
भ्रमति बाले
पिबन्त्यो भ्रमतः
बालाः
पिबन्त्यः भ्रमन्ति. So
a girl is roaming while drinking, two girls are roaming while drinking, girls are roaming while drinking. Pibantyah भ्रमन्ति पिबन्ति भ्रमति पिबन्त्यो भ्रमतः पिबन्त्यः भ्रमन्ति. भ्रमन्ति नाम अटन्ति. भ्रमण इज अटन. भ्रमन्ति अटन्ति गच्छन्ति चरन्ति इत्यर्थ. सो प्रथम वाक्यं छात्रा
पठन्ति
लिखति
छात्रे
पठन्त्यौ छात्रे लिखतः छात्राः पठन्त्यः लिखन्ति. So here even the verb also changes, the regular verb. लिखति लिखतः लिखन्ति, like भ्रमति भ्रमतः भ्रमन्ति, पठन्ति पठन्त्यौ पठन्त्यः, छात्रा पठन्ति लिखति, girl student writes while reading, two girl students, छात्रे two girl students, पठन्त्यौ लिखतः, two girl students write while reading, छात्राः students लिखन्ति write पठन्त्यः while reading, girl students write while reading. So छात्रा पठन्ति लिखति, छात्रे पठन्त्यौ लिखतः, छात्राः पठन्त्यः लिखन्ति इति द्विवचन बहुवचन प्रयोग. सेकंड
गायिका शृण्वति गायति,
गायिके
शृण्वत्यौ
गायतः, गायिकाः शृण्वत्यः गायन्ति. So गायिका शृण्वति गायति, a female singer sings while listening. गायिके, now here you are also learning the derivation of a noun. गायिका गायिके गायिकाः, छात्रा छात्रे छात्राः, बाला बाले बाला, all like what noun? Model कन्या, लता कन्या सीता. आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द, any if you take as a model, kanya is better, lata is also okay, anything is fine. So gayika na we are doing,
yes, gayika
शृण्वति गायति, गायिके शृण्वत्यौ गायतः, गायिकाः शृण्वत्यः गायन्ति. Singers sing while listening, शृण्वत्यः. 3.
नायिका,
okay, here singular is skipping. नायिका वदन्ति गच्छति, नायिका वदन्ति गच्छति, नायिके वदन्त्यौ गच्छतः, नायिकाः वदन्त्यः गच्छन्ति. So missing we are supplying here. एकवचने नायिका वदन्ति गच्छति, द्विवचने नायिके वदन्त्यौ गच्छतः, बहुवचने नायिकाः वदन्त्यः गच्छन्ति. So नायिका is a leader or heroine, goes while speaking. Two heroines or leaders go while speaking. Many leaders are heroines, naika, whatever. 4. पृच्छन्ति सेवां करोति, चिकित्सिके पृच्छन्त्यौ सेवां कुरुतः, चिकित्सिकाः सेवां कुर्वन्ति. So chikitsika means medico, female medico, medical practitioner. Chikitsika, female, pruchanti while asking sevam karoti, does her job, means attends to the patient, sevam karoti. The doctor attends to the patient, understood, while asking. Chikitsike, two female physicians or doctors, pruchantyau while asking sevam kurutaha, sevam kurutaha. Chikitsikaha pruchantyaha sevam kuruvanti. So here several things are changing because of the number. Panchamavakya.
Taruni gayanti gachati.
So here singular dual you have to supply. Taruni, tarunyaha plural is given. Taruni, this is like nadi.
Yes.
Taruni gayanti
Gachati.
gachati.
Tarunyau
Gayantyau gachataha. Plural is given. Taruni gayanti gachati. Tarunyau gayantaha. Gayantyau gachataha. Gayantyau gachataha. 6. Singular you have to do. Chhatra hasanti vadati. Chhatra hasanti vadati. Chhatre hasantyau vadataha. Chhatraha asantyaha vadanti. Asantyaha vadanti. Meaning girl student Nekavachana speaks while laughing. Two girl students speak while laughing. Girl students speak while laughing. Chhatraha asantyaha vadanti. 7. Two Ekavachana Dvivachana missing. Taha means sa. Sa janati api vadati. Sa janati api vadati. Because plural is taha janatyaha api vadanti. Sa janati api vadati. Te janatyau api vadataha. Taha janatyaha api vadanti. Meaning is sa janati api vadati means she speaks though knowing. While knowing. Though knowing api. Te janatyau api vadataha. They both knowingly speak. Although knowing, they speak. Taha janatyaha api. Though they know, they are speaking. Even though they know speaking. Vadanti, etc. This we will write. We have to write. There is a little confusion. 8. Esha rudati patati. Eta shabdasya strilinga prayoge. Esha ete etaha. Ete rudatyau patataha. Etaha rudatyaha pathanti. We'll repeat once. Esha rudati patati. This lady reads while crying. Why should she? Ete rudatyau patataha. These two females are studying while crying. Etaha rudatyaha pathanti. These females are studying pathanti rudatyaha while crying. Nava.
Sakhi ratanti shrunvati.
Shrunoti.
Sakhyau ratatyau.
Now here first recall Sakhi Shabda. Sakhi Sakyau Sakyaha, which is like Nadi. Nadi Nadyau Nadyaha. Sakhi Sakyau Sakyaha. Ratanti Ratantyau Ratantyaha. Sakhi Ratanti Shrunoti. Shrunoti Shrunutaha Shrunvanti. There are 3 different derivations here. Shrunoti Shrunutaha Shrunvanti. This is. So Sakhi Ekavachana. Sakhi Ratanti Shrunoti. Dvivachana. Sakyau Ratantyau. Ratantyau Shrunutaha. Shrunutaha. Sakyaha Ratantyaha Shrunvanti. Ratana means here speaking aloud, reading aloud. Sakhi, a friend, Ratanti Shrunoti, speaking aloud, she listens. Sakyau, two friends, Rata, while reading out or calling out, listen, and friends, many friends, Sakyaha Ratantyaha Shrunvanti. 11, 10.
Krinati gacchati. Krinati gacchati.
Te krinatyau gacchataha. Taha.
Krinatyaha gacchati.
Sorry. Krinati, krinatyau krinatyaha.
Gachanti.
Sa krinati gacchati. Te krinatyau gacchataha. Taha krinatyaha gachanti. Ekadasha. 11. Meaning Sa gacchati, she is going, krinati, while purchasing. They both go. Te gachatah krinatyau. They both go are going while purchasing. Taha gacchanti. They are going. Krinatyah gacchanti. They are going while doing the purchase. 11.
Bhagini tadayanti vadati. Bhaginyau tadayantyau vadataha.
Yes. Bhaginyah tadayanti. So Bhagini sister here. Bhagini tadayanti vadati. Sister speaks while beating. Singular. Bhaginyau tadayantyau vadataha. Two sisters speak while beating up. Sisters. Bhaginyah. Sisters in plural. Vadanti speak tadayantyah while beating up. 12.
Mata archanti shlokam vadati. Matarau archantyau shlokam vadataha.
Mataraha. So Mata archanti shlokam vadati. Mother utters a poem while worshipping. Mother utters a shloka while worshipping. Archanti. So Matarau archantyau kim kurta shlokam vadataha. They are uttering a shloka while worshipping, and mothers read out or utter a shloka while worshipping. Yes, next one.
Dhenuhu charanti gacchati. Dhenuhu charantyau gacchataha. Dhenavaha charantyah gacchanti.
Number 13. Okay. Dhenuhu charanti gacchati. Here chara has several meanings, but we'll take here while eating grass here, grazing. Chara has several meanings, chara to go also, but as when applied to animal, dhenuhu charanti gacchati means cow is going while grazing on the way. So dhenu charantyau gacchataha, dhenavaha charantyah gacchanti. 14.
Mahila ratanti pachati. Mahile ratantyau pachataha. Mahilaha ratantyah pachanti.
Mahila, a lady. Ratanti, again rata means while speaking out loudly. She is cooking. While speaking, here speaking out. A mother cooks, a lady cooks while speaking out loudly. Mahile, two ladies. Ratantyau, while speaking aloud. Pachataha. And Mahilaha ratantyah pachanti. Women cook while speaking loudly. And the last one, 15. In this page, last one in this page.
Vruddha smaranti
Vadati. Vruddhe.
Smarantyau vadataha.
Vruddhaha smarantyah.
Vadanti.
So an old woman, Vruddha, an old woman, Vadati speaks while remembering. Smaranti Vadati. Vruddhe, two old women, Smarantyau while remembering, Vadataha, speaking. Vruddhaha, old women, Smarantyaha while remembering, Vadanti. 16.
Aja charanti pashyati.
Yes.
Aje charantyau pashyataha. Ajaha charantyah pashyati.
First recall. Aja, aje, ajaha. Charanti, charantyau, charantyah. Pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti. These three derivations we have to recall. So aja, charanti, pashyati. Again, female goat, she goat, female goat, grazes while seeing. Ajay, two female goats. Charantyau, while roaming. Pashyataha, see while roaming. Ajaha charantyah pashyanti. Female goats see while grazing, while eating food. Yes, 17.
Bala likhanti patati. Bale likhantyau patataha. Balaha
Likhantyah patanti. This is simple. A girl reads patati while writing. Two girls write while read while writing, and balaha, many girls, patanti, read while likhantyah, while writing. 18.
Esha prakshalayanti khadati. Ete prakshalayantyau
Khadataha.
एताः प्रक्षालयन्त्यः खादन्ति.
So here the derivation of etad in strilinga shabda. Esha, ete, etaha. Khadati, khadatah, khadanti. Sorry, prakshalayanti, prakshalayantyau, prakshalayantyah. This is how it completes. Esha prakshalayanti khadati, ete prakshalayantyau khadatah, etaha prakshalayantyah khadanti. 19.
गृहिणी पचन्ति खादति, गृहिण्यो पचन्त्यौ खादतः, गृहिण्यः पचन्त्यः खादन्ति.
Khadanti. So again here khadati, khadatah, khadanti are the regular verbs. Gruhini, gruhinyau, gruhinyaha are nouns derived in prathama. Pachanti, pachantyau, pachantyah. Gruhini, pachanti, khadati. Gruhinyau, pachantyau, khadatah. Gruhinyaha, pachantyah, khadanti. 20.
महिला जल्पन्ती कार्यं करोति,
महिले पंत्यौ कार्यं कुरुतः, महिलाः
जल्पन्त्यः कार्यं कुर्वन्ति.
Same thing. This is a common thing. But 19th one is
जल्पन्ति वदन्ति.
jalpanti means while speaking. Vadanti. Mahila jalpanti karyam karoti. A woman does her job while speaking. Mahile, two women, jalpantyau karyam kurutaha are doing their work while speaking. Mahilaha jalpantyaha while speaking. Karyam kurvanti. 21.
सखी क्रीडन्ति पठति, सख्यौ क्रीडन्त्यौ पठतः, सख्यः क्रीडन्त्यः पठन्ति.
Sakhi, a friend. Sakhi kridanti patati. Friend reads while playing. Sakhyau kridantyau patataha. Two friends read while playing. And Sakhyah kridantyah patanti. Friends read while playing. 23.
नटी नृत्यन्ति वदतः.
No.
वदति.
Yeah, nrityanti.
नट्यौ नृत्यन्तौ वदतः.
नट्यः नृत्यन्तः
वदन्ति.
नृत्यन्तः नृत्यन्त्यः वदन्ति. नटी, an actress, नृत्यन्ति वदति, speaks while dancing. नट्यौ नृत्यन्त्यौ वदतः. Two actresses speak while dancing. नट्यः actresses, वदन्ति speak, नृत्यन्त्यः while dancing. 23rd.
छात्रा कार्यं कुर्वती उपविशति.
उपविशति.
छात्रे कार्यं कुर्वत्यौ उपविशतः. छात्राः कार्यं कुर्वत्यः उपविशन्ति.
उपविशन्ति. So the verbs recall here: उपविशति, उपविशतः, उपविशन्ति. कुर्वती, कुर्वत्यौ, कुर्वत्यः. छात्रा, छात्रे, छात्राः. छात्रा कार्यं कुर्वती उपविशति. छात्रे, one student sits while doing the work. छात्रे कार्यं कुर्वत्यौ, two girl students while doing the work उपविशतः, sit. छात्राः कार्यं कुर्वत्यः while doing the work उपविशन्ति. अन्तिमं वाक्यं भगिनी.
भगिनी उपविशन्ति गायति, भगिन्यौ उपविशन्त्यौ गायतः, भगिन्यः उपविशन्त्यः गायन्ति.
So here that what upavishati regular verb was there in 23rd has become shatru pratyanta here in this sentence. Bhagini upavishanti gayati. Sister sings while sitting. Upavishanti gayati. Sister sings while sitting. Bhaginyau, two sisters upavishantyau gayatah are singing. Bhaginyaha upavishantyah gayanti. So evam chaturdasha, chaturvimshati, not chaturdasha, vimshati vakyani स्त्रीलिंगे प्रयुक्तानि सन्ति. यत्र कस्मिंचित् वाक्ये एकवचनं दत्तमस्ति, द्विवचनं बहुवचनं तत्र अस्माभिः करणीयं. तत्र कुत्रापि बहुवचनमेव दत्तमस्ति, एकवचन द्विवचने कर्तव्ये. एवम् अस्ति. वयम् इदानीं दृष्टवन्तः एतानि उत्तराणि. पुनः एकवारं लिखामि कृष्णफलके. 24 वाक्यानि स्त्रीलिंगे. प्रथमायां प्रथमाविभक्तौ full sentence, only verb change. Oh, this duster is making more black. How to clean this duster, Srinivas? श्वेतफलकं कृष्णायते. एकवचनं
पठन्त्यौ छात्रे पठन्त्यौ लिखतः
छात्री.
dash is not
Oh, this is for ekavachana. Ekavachana is given, na? Dvivachana, bahuvachana we have to write.
okay छात्रे पठन्त्यौ लिखतः
Oh, this is only one. Vivachana has come to this point. Bahuvachana has to be written.
छात्राः लिखन्त्यः sorry पठन्त्यः पठन्त्यः
Patantyau.
पठन्त्यः
Oh, bahuvachana has come. Likhanti.
लिखन्ति
One is done.
again ekvachana is given dash
Again ekavachana is come.
dash गायिके शृण्वत्यौ गायिके शृण्वत्यौ गायतः Here Dvivachana is given, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Ekavachana will come in. Third one. Nayika vadanti gacchati. Nayika vadanti gacchati. Dash. Dash. Nayikaah. Dvivachana is already given.
Vivachana is given.
Dash,
Okay.
dash. Nayikaah वदन्त्यः गच्छन्ति. Ekavachana is given dash. चिकित्सके
Dash means
चिकित्सके पृच्छन्त्यौ पृच्छन्त्यौ सेवां कुरुतः लीव्स
Oh, okay.
चिकित्सिकाः पृच्छन्त्यः
पृच्छन्त्यः
डैश
कुर्वन्ति. Sevam doesn't change, therefore we are not writing that kurvanti.
So fifth one, only bahuvachana is given, sir.
So ekavachana.
Ekavachana. Taruni gayanti gachanti gachati gayanti gachati gachati kama tarunyo gayantyo gachatah
Plural is given.
given.
Okay.
The sixth. Again, sixth is Vivachana is given, sir. So,
Ekavachana bhavat.
Hasanti vadati. Chhatra hasanti vadati. Dash. Plural. Chhatraha hasantyah Ananti. Number 7, Bahuvachana is given. So first, Sa Janati Api will be, sir. Janati Vadati. Te
Plural is given.
Te janatyo again api will be
Vadatah.
Ekavachana is given. Esha rudati patati. Ese rudatyo patatah. Etah
Plural.
etah rudatyah etah again plural is given. So Sakhi Ratanti Shrunvati
Ratanti.
Shrunvati
Shrunoti.
sorry Shrunvati Sakhyau
Visible this one?
is Ratantyau
Shrunutah. Shrunutah.
Yeah. That.
We'll pause here. Read.
छात्रे पठन्त्यो लिखतः छात्राः पठन्त्यः लिखन्ति गायिके शृण्वत्यो गायतः गायिकाः शृण्वत्यः गायन्ति
Yes.
नायिका वदन्ति गच्छति डैश नायिकाः वदन्त्यः गच्छन्ति
Yes.
डैश चिकित्सिके पृच्छन्त्यौ कुरुतः डैश कुरुतः
सेवा इज अंडरस्टूड देयर
चिकित्सिकाः
मिसिंग ओके
पृच्छन्त्यः कुर्वन्ति डैश कुर्वन्ति नेक्स्ट तरुणी गायन्ती गच्छति तरुण्यो गायन्त्यो गच्छतः डैश छात्रा हसन्ति वदति डैश छात्राः हसन्त्यः वदन्ति सा जानति डैश वदति ते जानत्यो डैश वदतः डैश डैश एते रुटत्यौ पठतः एताः रुटत्यः पठन्ति सखी रटन्ति शृणोति सख्यौ रटत्यौ शृणुतः डैश
dash te kreen no only nine only but I think we should have done some markings in yours. Visibility, how is it in camera? Okay, could have made some separate.
Means Bahuvachana, Ekavachana, different colors only should have.
It takes a lot of time, na? Yeah, at least that we could have done. Only two we are writing, na? Two pens you can use. Okay. It looks like en masse. No, with that is the only thing. So पश्यन्तु किञ्चित् कालम् एकनिमेषपर्यन्तं कति निमेषाः सन्ति इदानीं
3 minutes.
शेषानि वाक्यानि आगामि कक्षायां लिखामः. बहूनि वाक्यानि सन्ति इदानीं केवलं 9 समाप्तानि.
At least 2 times we have to write.
We will use different pen next class. If you come early, you can just. You can do that. So अग्रिमः अभ्यासः अपि शत्रन्तरूपैः पूरयत. Yes, same thing. यत्र 25 वाक्यानि सन्ति तदा वयं नपुंसकलिङ्गे प्रविशामः. नपुंसकलिङ्गम् आगच्छति. 380 अभ्यासादनन्तरं नपुंसकलिङ्गम् आगच्छति. तर्हि अत्र स्थापयामः. शुभं भूयात्.